wait is over. Toyota has unleashed the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter, and let me tell you, this truck is built to dominate the trails. Packed with power, tech, and serious off-road muscle, is this the best adventure rig of the year? Stick around because we're breaking it all down. First up, let's talk about looks. Because the Trailhunter is an absolute head-turner. Toyota went all in with rugged styling, beefy all-terrain tires, and that bold Trailhunter badge that screams, "I'm built for adventure." Oh, and check out this snorkel. Yeah, Toyota isn't messing around. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, we've got a 2.4 Li Forcer Max hybrid powertrain, pumping out a jaw-dropping 326 horsepower and 465 lbs from torque. That means more power, better efficiency, and enough muscle to tackle anything in your path. Now, let's get into what makes the Trailhunter a true off-road beast. We're talking factory-installed Old Man Emu shocks, a lifted suspension, and full skid plate protection so you can crawl over rocks, blast through mud, and take on the wild with total confidence. And when it's time to kick back, the interior is just as impressive. A massive 14-inch touchscreen, premium leather seats, and Toyota's latest off-road tech, including multi-terrain select and crawl control, make every drive smooth, even when the trail isn't. So is the 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter the ultimate off-road midsize truck? With insane power, next-level tech, and Toyota's legendary reliability, it might just be the king of the trails. But what do you think? Would you take this beast on an adventure? Drop a comment below.